Now that your meditation will be simply resting as that which you are, that which witnesses this existence, your life, which is you, of course, but it's a so deep aspect of you that it's beyond all your thoughts and emotions and all the layers which you can point at and say, that's me. I've been through this and this in my life. I've had these experiences. This witness is so deep that the only characteristic it has is that it is aware. And it was equally perfectly complete the second you were born as it is now. It has never lacked anything. It has never changed. It has remained the same fundamental awareness as it has been for as long as you have been alive, no matter how old you are. Doesn't matter if you're 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, at 100 it will still be equally complete, equally silent, equally aware and present. So now that this is our, you could say, anchoring point, you will move from being in single focused mind while meditating, having focus on one main thing, the breath, the mantra, the feet walking, one single focus point, to being a multi-aware mind, which means as you get deeper into the awareness existing, you will be able to become focused and pay attention to multiple sources of multiple sense modalities, is probably a better way to say it. So you can be simultaneously completely aware of walking and breathing and listening to the sounds and paying attention to the body's motion, position, because being this awareness makes sure that you have no noise. You are only open, aware, crisply aware. And so in the coming lessons, first make sure you get really good and grounded in the meditation that you naturally are. No breath awareness. You can be aware of breathing of course, because it's happening, but don't anchor yourself there. Anchor yourself in the fact that you know you are alive right now. Don't tell yourself over and over again, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Just be aware of it. Just know it consciously that you exist now. And as you get settled there, you can simultaneously start being aware of the other parts of your existence while being silent in your mind, while not having your attention grabbed by thoughts and noise. You will be so clear that you will see everything in high definition. You will be unwavering. Not always, of course. But the end point is to be that most of the time. And this is not for most people. Now we have moved on to the levels where most likely you are a pretty deep spiritual seeker before you get here. Or you have some extraordinary need or yearning to know what you are and what this existence is, like I had 15 years ago. So this will be very interesting. If you're here, I applaud you. Let's get going.